Hello everyone. Let us look at this question based on implicit derivative. Find the equation of the tangent line to the graph of the equation tangent inverse x plus y equals x squared plus pi by 4 at the point 0, 1. So we have to find out the equation of the tangent line. Let us suppose that this equation represented by this curve and there is a point 0, 1 over here where there is a tangent line that touches the graph at exactly 1 point. And we have to find out the equation of the tangent line. We know according to the point slope form, we know a point, but we don't know the slope. So how we can find the slope is, as both the curve and the line are at the same point, we can differentiate this equation and put this point over here. So we'll get the slope at that point, which is both for the line and for the curve. So we have to derivate this equation implicitly, as it is not an explicit equation. Y is not isolated on the left hand side, so we have to derivate it implicitly, and we have to use some formulas over here, like differentiation of tangent inverse x would be 1 over 1 plus x squared. X value over here is x plus y, so that would be 1 over 1 plus x plus y whole square. And then according to the chain rule, we have to derivate x plus y, and on the right hand side it's quite easy, so that's just 2x plus 0. After derivating we get 1 plus dy over dx, and then we have to isolate dy over dx on one side because that's what we are looking for. We are trying to find the derivative of it. Now at this point we just have to put the value. This is the general expression for the derivative of this curve. We are looking for exactly at this point, so we are going to put this point over here 0, 1, and we got that is negative 1. So that would mean that negative 1 is the slope of the curve at this point, and it is also the slope of the line at that point. So now we have the point as well as we have the slope. We are going to put it in the point slope form, and after solving we got y equals negative x plus 1. So that's the equation of the tangent line. So this question is based on implicit derivative and how you can find the equation of the tangent line. And what's the derivative? Derivative is nothing but it's the slope. I hope you understood this. Thank you.